That export page, it can be intimidating. H.264, H.265, bitrate. Here's the thing. You don't need to know any of it. I'm going to show you the only settings that matter, and you can really ignore everything else. Now, I actually made an export video a while back. The old way, it worked, but what I'm doing now gives me better looking videos, and it's actually simpler. Go figure. And we're going to take a look at the YouTube preset. It's already really good. At the top here where it says custom export, scroll down to YouTube, go to 1080p. If you want to output at something higher, like 4K, go ahead. Just make sure that your footage is 4K as well to be able to get it out. Myself, exporting at 1080p. Now that's already 90% of the work. Now we just want to double check a few things. Check your format as MP4. Make sure your codec is H.264. And double check your resolution. You'd like it to match your timeline. That being said, if your timeline's in 4K, you can kick out at 1080p and 4K. Frame rate, same thing. Make sure it's the same as the timeline. You don't want to change that here. Now, this is what I used to overthink a little bit. My bit rate in kilobits per second. Here's what I do now. I click on YouTube. I go with these settings. It doesn't even ask me that anymore, and everything comes out great. And keep in mind that YouTube re-encodes everything anyway, so you're not losing quality. And you never have to think about bitrate again. Makes sense? Leave your audio on bus 1, stereo. One thing I would change on here is I would check normalize audio. Leave it as normalized to standard. It's going to bring your sound up to YouTube standards, making sure that people don't have to crank their volume or turn it way down because your audio is all over the place. It'll keep it right where it needs to be for YouTube. So add a file name, pick a location. I'm just going to throw it on the desktop and add to render queue. When it brings up right over here, there's your name. All set up. Render all. Give that a click. It'll render through. That's all you got to do. So YouTube preset, check format and codec, MP4, H.264. Match your resolution and frame rate. Leave the quality. Turn on normalize audio. You don't need to understand B-frames or encoding profiles. You just need to finish your video and get it onto YouTube. Once you've been doing this for a while, come back and tweak it if you want. But for now, these settings will give you a great looking video every time. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, hit the bell, you know the drill. Say hi to DaVinci for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.